In this practice, you will add text with fields that display the area of a polyline. Let's open the Industry Park-A drawing. Set the current layer to text. Start the multi-text command. Near the top of the top left lot, pick a point to place a text. Using the down arrow, select the height option and set the height to 5 feet. Select the other corner for the text. In the text editor, type area. In the field dialog box, set the field category to objects and the field names, select object. In the object type area, click select object and select the magenta polyline around the lot in which you are placing the text. In the field dialog box, properties to area, format to architectural, and precision to 0. Click OK to close the field dialog box. In the text editor, increase the width to display the information in a single line. Click the green check mark to close editor and the multi-line text command. Repeat these steps for the other lots. Note that you cannot copy the text because you have to select a different polyline object corresponding to each plot. Use the grips to stretch one of the boundary polylines to make it larger. Now, region the drawing to update the field. The area value changes based on the change you made to the polyline.